If you want to make your Roblox game passes or developer products more affordable for players in different countries, enabling regional pricing is the best way to do it. Roblox automatically adjusts your item prices based on local purchasing power, helping you reach more buyers and increase sales. So, in this guide, you'll learn how to turn on regional pricing for your Roblox creations in just a few steps. First of all, you need to go to Roblox website, that is roblox.com, and log into your account. After that, tap on the create in the top of the screen, that is between marketplace and the search icon. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, tap on creations from the left hand side of the screen below home. Once you're in this page, find passes and select passes. Now go to sales, that is below basic settings in the left hand side of the screen. And under sales, make sure that the item is for sale and set the base price. You'll see the enable regional pricing option as well. You need to simply tick this box over here. Note that the price will never drop more than 30% below your set price. Select the option and then click on Save Changes, which is highlighted in blue color, and that's it. Now tap on Proceed and you'll be done. So this was all about it. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.